Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Merlin L. Nadella. I'm 33 years old from Imus, Cavite, Manila, Philippines. My height is 157.5 centimeter and my weight is 60 kilogram. I am a high school graduate. I am a Roman Catholic. My mother's name is Rosalinda L. Nadella. She is a housewife. My father's name is Hermogenes L. Nadella. He is deceased. I have four brothers and four sisters. I'm the eighth child among the eight siblings. I am a single mother within my live-in partner. We not yet married and we have two kids. My first daughter is 9 years old and my second daughter is 3 years old. The name of my live-in partner is Roselo Inonez. He is a tricycle driver. I have 3 years experience being housemaid here in the Philippines since January 3, 2017 to January 3, 2020. I serve a married couple and their two children. The first child is 5 years old. It's a girl. And the second child is 3 years old. It's a boy. And my other duties are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, and cooking the food. Mom and sir, I do not know how to cook a Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn. Mom and sir, this is my first time to work in Hong Kong. I'm willing to come to work in Hong Kong. Mom and sir, I'll do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.